Today we're going to be looking at hyphenated words. Now, there are quite a few of these in the example text, so it's quite useful to know about hyphenation. What are hyphenated words? Well, I've come up with the idea of cold-hearted being an example of what a hyphenated word actually is. You can see that there's a hyphen in between the words cold and hearted. Now, this shows that the first word looks at, like modifies and changes the second word we've got. So when we use a hyphen, that means we change the meaning of the word. So looking at the words cold and hearted, you can see on the left-hand side, we can see that someone is in possession of a heart that's cold. Whereas the hyphenated version, the right-hand side, here's Mr. Scrooge. He's cold-hearted. In other words, he's a bit mean. Let's have a look at another pair, clean and shaven. So for example, if it's separate, you could say he was a clean, shaven man. So this suggests that he was clean and he's had a shave. But when we put them together, that he's a clean shaven man, it means he's got no facial hair whatsoever. On the left-hand side, here's Mr. Clean. He's clean and he's had a shave. And the gentleman on the right here is clean shaven. You can see he used a razor and he has no facial hair whatsoever. So let's have a look. What would we do highlighting the words in the sentences below? We've got a sentence that says the super strong girl lifted the car with one hand. Well, she could be a super girl and a strong girl, but really what we're meaning here is she's super strong. And there she is, lifting that car with one hand. So the words super and strong are linked together with a hyphen, and therefore she's super strong. The words go together, not working separately. Adjective file describers. Let's have a look at another one. The strange smelling odour made its way across the room. We've got the word strange and smelling, but if we can put them together and hyphenate them, you can see we've got the idea of a strange smelling odour. The smell was very strange. It's not strange and smelling, it's a strange smelling odour that made its way across the room. To help support you today, I've got a list that I'm going to attack. It has a lot of hyphenated words. You can have a look down and find ones that you think are really good. It might be a good idea just to keep those ones in your memory bank and think when I'm writing, those are words that I could use will be really good, particularly the colour ones. Have fun with hyphens.